Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. So I'm going to be trying the new, they're relatively new. I haven't tried these nails before. The O.P.I Express On Instant Gel-like Salon Manicure. And these are really cute. I saw these in Ulta and they are so pretty. They're like a pink French and they have a pretty tiny French tip. Typically, I like a more thick French tip when I do a French, but these were so dainty and so pretty that I wanted to give them a try, and I wanted to try these O.P.I nails. Now, it says that they're reusable. I have never been able to reuse nails like in a new manicure. Like I've never taken old nails that I've taken off and put them back on. I will glue on nails that come off while I still have the manicure, that set of nails on, but I don't reuse them. So I have a real doubt that I will ever reuse these nails, but I'm gonna use the glue that comes with these nails. And I'll let you know in my next nail video how they lasted. So instead of using my super glue, I'm gonna use their glue. And it says it comes with a file to buff and a little wipe to wipe your nails, and then you glue them on. So let's get started. Let's put them on. I've already taken off my other set of nails and gave them like a brief file to take the remaining glue off, and I have filed my own nails down just a little bit. I'm definitely not going to be trimming these nails because I would be trimming off the little tip. So yeah, I'm just going to put them on. I'm going to go according to what they say, and they give you little instructions on the back and tell you how to do them. You know, I'm basically going to be doing them the same way I always do my nails, but we'll do it according to their steps. So come on down, let's get them on.
treat. Well, the taste is bitter. Oh, go on, chewing my bones, and when he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is bitter. Oh, go on, chewing my bones, and when he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us.
All right, guys, so they are on, and they're very pretty nails. They're very pretty, very delicate. They're a very nice length. They're not too long, not too short. I really, really like them. I think that they are very, very pretty. Now, I'll tell you a couple things I noticed when I was using these nails. They have a nice bend to them, or whatever you want to call it. It's like it fits nicely on the nail bed, and they're very easy to size, and they fit really well over the nail, over your natural nail. It's said to put a little glue on the nail and your nail bed to make them last longer. And as always happens when I do that, I tend to use too much glue, and then what happens is I get glue on my finger and I lift the nail right off as I'm holding it down. But that's because I'm using too much glue. Now, the last thumb didn't want to stay with this O.P.I glue, so I just put my trusty super glue and it glued perfectly. So all in all, I mean, they're French and they're kind of transparent, so I do have some air bubbles, but not too bad. And then on this nail, I can see that I didn't get it down right to the cuticle. It's glued on there, but the cuticle is lifted, so I might have an issue with that one, but we will see. But for now, I think this is a really pretty manicure, and I do like O.P.I nails, and I will definitely let you know in my next nail video how I made out with these and how this nail glue held up for keeping them on. And I can always re-glue them if they fall off one at a time or whatever, but so I'm not too worried about that. But I do love how they look. They really look They look dainty, they look pretty, and I will definitely enjoy these for at least a week, if not more. But again, I will let you know in my next nail video how I liked these and how they held up. So these are the O.P.I nails. I don't remember how much I paid for them, but I will tell you right here, right now, with how much they cost. They are a little more expensive than the XPRESS and the Kiss. So we will see how we like them. And they do have a lot of colors and a lot of choices, but I wasn't gonna get any, but these definitely tempted me. So yeah, I think if you like a shorter nail, if you like a shorter French tip, I think you will love these nails. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're new here, I hope that you will consider subscribing and coming on back. So if you like this video, hit that like button and let me know. So take care, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.